Om Namo Bhagavate Ramakrishnaya. Talks with Swami Vivekananda, compiled by Sri Sharat Chandra Chakravarty, one of the greatest household disciples of Swami Vivekananda. Continuation of section 9, page number 82. Swamiji says, the sun, the moon, the earth, the atmosphere, the heaven, the upper spheres, all the Creator projected in the same manner and process as in previous cycles. Do you understand? Disciple Sharat Chandra Chakravarty says. But Swamiji, how in the absence of an actual concrete object can the Shabda or idea be applied, and for what? And how are the names to be given at all? Swamiji, yes, that is what on first thought seems to be the difficulty. But just think of this. Supposing this jug breaks into pieces, does the idea of a jug become null and void? No, because the jug is the gross effect, while the idea jug is the subtle state or the Shabda state of the jug. In the same way, the Shabda state of every object is its subtle state, Sukshmat, and the things we see, hear, touch, or perceive in any manner are the gross manifestations of entities in the subtle or Shabda state. Just as we may speak of the effect and its cause, even when the whole creation is annihilated, the Shabda, as the consciousness of the universe or the subtle reality of all concrete things, exists in Brahman as the cause. At the point of creative manifestation, this sum total of causal entities vibrates into activity, as it were, and as being the sonant, material substance of it all, the eternal, primal sound of Om continues to come out of itself. And then from the causal totality comes out first the subtle image or Shabda form of each particular thing, and then its gross manifestation. Know that causal Shabda or world consciousness is Brahman, and it is the Veda. Know that causal Shabda or world consciousness is Brahman, and it is the Veda. This is the purport of Sayana. Do you now understand? Disciple replies, No, Swamiji, I can't clearly comprehend it. To be continued. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Tat Sat Shri Ram Krishna Arpanamastu.